guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and like this video. If you aren't, welcome back to another video with Kera Dior. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Outre melted hairline in the style Catalina in the color 1. I'm not going to be doing too much talking because I do the same method every time. So I guess when I get closer to the end where I install the wig, that's when I'll give my final review. So right here, I'm just plucking it a little. Honestly, it really didn't need that, but I was just being extra. I've noticed when I use the Even styling gel to lay down my baby hairs for synthetic wigs, they lay down so nicely and they actually stay. It doesn't leave a film. It doesn't mess with the lace. I love it. So here's a close-up of the lace. It's giving scalp, baby. The only thing is I should have brought my wig cap down a little further, but that's fine. So this is just me taking down the hair now and brushing it. It really didn't need any styling. The layers I did not cut. They came layered on the side. I love this wig. I give this a 10 out of 10. And I've had it in for about a week and a couple days, I think. And let me tell y'all, that side with the layers is still like that. This wig still looks really nice, and that's what I love about it. Look at that. It's just flowing, honey. This is a really nice wig, y'all. Look, it is very much giving. I'm not even joking. Look at this. Super cute. I think this is all. So yeah, this was a really quick video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And comment down below any other wigs you guys want me to review or try.